Here are the top 9 strategies for making an offer on a house. Our competitive real estate market is forcing some buyers to compete for the same house. How do you stand out and get your offer accepted? Here are a few tips to get your offer accepted the first time. 1. Get pre-approved before you shop for a house. Sellers want to know you're ready and serious about buying. Shorten your time frame for home inspections. This reduces your due diligence period. Offer more escrow or earnest money. It assures the seller you are serious about buying their house. Be flexible on the closing date. Sometimes the seller needs more time to vacate the home. Have your mortgage lender call the listing agent. Most listing agents never have the chance to talk to a buyer's lender. Meet the sellers if you can. That puts a human in the transaction. Don't lowball the seller. If you know the house is priced right, chances are the seller isn't coming down much, especially if others wanting the house. Write your offer in an odd dollar amount. Most of us think in even terms. I've seen buyers win by $50. Hire an experienced agent that knows the area and how to negotiate. You want to rise to the top of the offer stack and get your home you want the first time? Try these 9 techniques and see the full article at sarasotasandy.com, powered by eXp Realty. sandy.williams@exprealty.com.